Pawpaw Salmon Alley Bug here. Today I made a fast run to the antique stores in Denham Springs, Louisiana. And I was in a hurry, so I didn't film. I just run in and grabbed a few items. I grabbed everything you see here, except for this. I paid $6 for it, the whole total shooting match. I think that's a wire stripper. I'm gonna have to check into that. These belong, I'm guessing, to an electrician. See the hole in the pliers where somebody stripped a hot wire? Now this, the reason I bought that, I just wanted to see what was in it. I saw one little item in here that said Craftsman, and I'm not even sure what it is. It's this. It says Craftsman. I need to work on that a little bit. Craftsman. Now the rest of this stuff, I don't think is craft. Just old sockets. Oh, that, I can use that. That's a good pen. I don't think these sockets are much. Anyway, this caught my attention. It's corroded bad, but I think I can save it. The handle's in pretty good shape. It's just froze solid. Now this one, I've had it for years. I don't think I can save it. The teeth are completely gone. The handle's in bad shape, but I'm gonna try. I found this hanging in a tree years ago. Somebody apparently threw it, it hung up in a fork. Now, the next item is this. It's in pretty good shape. It really is in pretty good shape. It's dull. It's been beat up pretty good on the edges. But with a little work, I can turn that into a beauty. I'm gonna try to make this one serviceable and maybe just preserve that one. These, I'll just throw them in a bucket back there somewhere. This I'm gonna save. That's a Craftsman. And that, it looks like at one time it was a bolt and somebody made a center punch out of it. Good idea. Anyway, this is my project for the next day or two, is to work on these tools. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'll clean them up, use them around the shed. This, how much research. Like and subscribe.